Alright, for today's dish we're making easy chicken and rice. We're going to start out with 1 cup of rice in our rice cooker. Two cups of water. About a tablespoon of butter. Then we're going to add pepper. Garlic powder. Salt. And some onion powder. I'm going to stir it up a bit. Close the lid. Put the power on. And press white rice. So that's done. That'll take care of itself. It'll beep at me when it's ready. First we prep the baking sheet for the chicken. We're going to bake the chicken. Give that a quick hit of olive oil so nothing sticks. Now we get out the fresh chicken. Now we're going to pour some olive oil on so that our seasoning sticks. We're going to use Kirkland's organic seasoning, and we're going to be very generous. Now we're going to add some salt. And now we can put it in the oven. We're putting it in the oven at 375 for about 20 minutes. Alright, so now the chicken's been in the oven for about 40 minutes. We've had to add 10 extra minutes twice. Because it was just too frozen. And that's 160, so I can eat this chicken at 160 because it is homegrown chicken, it is not store chicken. Store chicken you want to get to 190 like it says on this thermometer here. Alright, so now our chicken and rice are done. And this is what it looks like. Rice is excellently done. Rice cooker almost always gets it right every time. It's got good flavor, nice amount of saltiness. Chicken's good. A little bit dry. Partially from having to cook it so long since I put it in a little frozen. It's got an excellent flavor. That's it. Easy chicken and rice.